application demonstration of Cream D silicone water repellent. The product is packed in a cartridge, and we use a cutting knife to open the nozzle on the front, and we fix our nozzle to the front. The nozzle is extended using a 10mm plastic pipe fixed with a little bit of insulation tape, which is then inserted into our corking gun. And our product is ready to be inserted into the hole. Okay, ek gaan weer uitgaan al hoor. Gaan weer uittrek. We have our moisture meter, and we would like to have a reading of below 7%. Above 7% we would normally do the application, and we are measuring in excess of 11%, 10.5% moisture in this particular area. We have our measuring tape, which is used to measure the hole spacings, and ideally we want 115mm in the middle of the brick and on the head of the brick. Our holes are drilled first with a small 9mm concrete drill bit, followed by a 12.5mm concrete drill bit. And a hammer and a chisel is used to take off the plaster. We are now going to do the actual application of the cream.